Hello, this is Dr. Somia Guha, Senior Consultant Cardiothoracic Surgeon at Birla Heart Research Center, Kolkata. And today I will be talking about MICS or Minimally Invasive Cardiac Surgery and role of this approach in structural heart disease, especially valvular heart disease. So as cardiac surgery is progressing in leaps and bounds, minimally invasive techniques have become quite popular, not only because of the cosmetic benefit that they provide, but also because of the recovery rate and the ease to return to daily activities that they do provide. What started as a highly invasive approach as far as heart surgeries were concerned, and which most people were scared about, has gradually now come to a phase where by making cuts as small as 4 centimeters, your heart valves can be repaired or they can be replaced depending upon the situation. Minimally invasive surgery is now very safe. There are multiple papers out there, research articles that suggest that the rate of complication is actually less in certain cases compared to a conventional surgery, and freedom from any adverse major events is similar to that of conventional surgeries. The recovery rate is quite fast. We have patients who get extubated or they come out of ventilator on the same day as surgery, and they can go home as soon as 3 to 4 days after surgery. They can begin their work within a week from surgery and can even do arduous or rigorous work in about a few weeks from surgery, which was not possible with the conventional sternotomy approach because of the bone healing recovery time. Now we are entering the era of robotic heart surgery, where the axis has become even smaller, but because of the presence of the magnified scope and the robotic arms, the vision is quite good, and with really small endoscopic cuts using robotic arms, we get a complete access to the heart valve. It's as if the hands are right inside the chest. Minimal invasive is the future because everybody wants a safe surgery and a surgery from which they can recover and they can near a normal life expectancy, normal socio-economic work capacity as another person of similar age group and physical capacity. And I believe Merrill is also progressing leaps and bounds in this technique and really helping the cardiac surgery scenario advance in India. Thank you.